Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Anthony from S2K and the Ant. And today, what I'm going to do is replace the headlight on my 2003 Lexus LS430. And the best thing about these cars is that replacing the headlights is super easy. You don't even have to remove the bumper. Like most cars, you got to take off the bumper. And actually, the 04 and up models of the same car, you do have to remove the bumper because there's a clip on over on this side under the bumper. But for a 2000 to 2003, you don't need to remove the bumper, which is super cool. So the reason I'm doing that is because I got some new Japanese market headlights that don't have this orange side light, and it's pretty much the same thing. It's just chrome all the way around. I'll show it to you in a bit, but first let's get started. It's really only 4 bolts. It's this one right here, one. There's another one down here. But first thing I do is remove this cover. It's only 2 Phillips heads, 1, 2, and you should be able to just remove the cover. And then it's one of these guys, and another one down there, 10 mil bolt. And then I'll show you how to remove the headlight. So let's go ahead and remove that stuff. Fancy headlights. You see, there's no side lamp. There's no orange. The one behind you is the American market one. This is the Japanese market one. There's only one downside with this, and that is that the lights will be pointing the other direction. So I actually went ahead and I swapped the internals from the American headlight into the Japanese one, and it turned out alright. So I fixed that problem. So I'm not going to make a video how to do that. It's kind of a pain in the butt. There's lots of videos on YouTube. So this is it. Yeah. And also, these look like someone went ahead and buffed this. As you can see, my old headlight here, it's super hazy. This one is nice and clear. And if you're wondering why it's like kind of green, these headlights have like a green tint on them from the factory. So yeah, even the American one is the same thing. Cool. Alright, so first thing I do is you gotta move the clips off of the cover. There's 3 of them. There's 1, 2, 3 right here. Or you can actually just remove them with a screwdriver, but first just give it a slight unscrew. That should come up. There it is. It's one of them. There's another one right here. So I usually just turn it counterclockwise with a screwdriver, and you should be able to catch the lip of the top part of that clip with your hand. And that's it. Comes right off. Alright, and then let's remove this guy too. Alright. Now that cover should be able to come off. Alright, so here's the super easy part. All there is 2 10 mil bolts, and you gotta take those off. Take those off. Okay. The thing with the headlights is that right here, this thing sticking out, it's sitting in a hole right here in the side of your fender. This guy right here. So what you gotta do is you gotta move the headlight this way to get it off that clip, and then push it upwards like this, and then out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. we go. So now you can kind of see the clip right there, the receiver. So now you can see that it's out. And now what you gotta do is get it upward. There we go. And then it comes right out. So it's not terrible, but it is a little scary because it's a little tight sometimes, but it comes right out. And after that, just remove all the connectors behind. Alright, and there it is. There's one foggy headlight out. So now that the headlight is off, you can see right here, this is the receiver where that metal piece in the headlight sits. So that's what you're getting off. So headlight goes this way and then out. And it comes out. So don't be afraid to try it. So next thing I'm going to do is just put in my new headlights and call it a day. So at this point, I don't know what happened, but I seem to have lost the audio for this video, whatever. So I'm just going around explaining, hey, look at my new headlights. They're freaking awesome. Look how clear they are. They have the side clear markers in the corner. Super awesome. Yep, I'm saying that. It's super awesome. Look at it. Looks great. Way better than that stupid amber stuff. And I'm basically going saying that the driver's side or the passenger side was much easier. And here I'm pointing out my Japanese domestic fogs that take place of that amber side marker. So you just run that wire down there, but whatever. So yeah, I'm saying that the passenger side is a little bit easier doing than the driver's side, and that it looks great. Keep looking at it. Awesome. Yep. Looks awesome. Looks amazing. I'm really glad I did it. And that's it. That's pretty much what I'm saying in this thing that I lost the audio for. So hopefully you guys like the video and like and subscribe. Peace out.